What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print. Welcome back to the print shop. Yesterday, as you know, was crazy. Taylor watches the videos and was freaking out a little bit this morning, just a little bit. Today is going to be still a bit of a crazy day because I am going to a networking meeting, even though I kind of don't want to. So I got to finish up a couple things so that Taylor can finish the Halo shirts that we talked about yesterday. I'm also going to have him try to work on cleaning this up a little bit more so that I can just feel better about it. My pens were supposed to be here today, the blank ones, but I just got notice from UPS that weather delayed them. So now it says tomorrow. We'll see. Got some pen orders for Taylor to knock out. I've been doing artwork, trying to get things prepped. Just printed some paper copies to take to the network meeting, which is why I'm going. Yeah, it's been one of those days. But let's show you a before of the craziness of this table and see what Taylor does with it by the time I get back. He's confused. But you also can't hear him because we're mic. Meeting's over. My neighbor owned a business right next door to where we were, so I had him change the oil at the same time. So it was kind of a win-win. I've needed to change the oil for some time, and I just haven't done it. So, silver lining. Main reason I went to the network meeting was to support my customer. So he also does my credit card processing, does a fantastic job, spends quite a bit of money with me. I think last year he spent about $8,000, $9,000. And networking groups were really good for me in the beginning. Getting business, getting customers, like that's where I met this customer, was at a networking group. The downside for me right now is my time is just so limited that, like, me going there, it's been 2.5, 3 hours of time. And so that limits the other activities that I can do. And because I don't have enough time or I'm not willing to put that time into the marketing side of it, I would rather do other things for marketing that take less time. It's not a good fit for me. But I did B&I for like 2.5, 3 years, and I made a decent amount of money from it. So if you're looking at a way to like build your business up and you're newer and you need more sources of referrals, definitely check out networking groups. So it can be Rotary clubs, it can be B&I. B&I does cost money. This group is just an ad hoc group. It does technically cost money. You have to buy lunch and you have to pay $1 for something. The person who invited me, Drew, paid for my lunch and for the $1. Or honestly, I probably wouldn't have gone. But overall, again, it was to support Drew. But back at my brother's, got to fix some IT stuff, and then we'll get back to the print shop. Welcome back, print fam.
Sup, print fam?
Spencer's here. You might remember Spencer from the omniprint DTF print shop in the basement. Spencer, can you give us an update of the printers? Because there are people that love the printers and people that hate the printers. And you've had yours how long?
2.5 years?
2.5 years. How do you like them? Still.
I love the printers, but I hate direct to garment.
Spencer has switched 100% to direct to film.
I am exclusively direct to film.
So
I have not used that pre-treat machine that I swore that I hated before in at least a year.
And I put you on the spot to do that. I didn't even tell Spencer what I was doing. I clipped the mic to him and just went for it. So you're strictly direct to film now.
Yep.
One question that is common is like how frequently are you printing, in the sense that, like, are you printing every day? So, like, how is the maintenance if you don't print every day? Like, how is that working out?
It's seasonal. So we have really busy summers and then kind of tapers off in the winter and stuff, but we're still printing a couple times a week. And so far, maintenance has not been bad at all. If we just do the normal, like, 2 head cleanings, most of the time it's good. like right then. Might have to do one more head cleaning, but it's pretty rare that we have to do much more than that. It's pretty nice.
So there you have it. 2.5 years, still likes them, still makes money. Was it worth the investment?
100%. 1,000%. However, maybe if you're looking to get into the space, maybe just skip the 330TX Plus and go straight to the DTF machine, because that's what I want to do. And
so the roll one, you want the roll.
Yeah. Which, in a perfect world, I'll keep one machine for like one-off sheets, and then when I do big orders, I'll get a DTF. But so they have their place, both of them. But going forward, I would like to get an actual DTF machine.
So if you want an omniprint and would like to purchase one of Spencer's,
one's for sale.
It's always for sale. So we're in Utah. Spencer is willing to sell one if you want one.
Plus, I'll give you a really good deal on a pre-treatment machine.
I like it. I will also give you a good deal on Jacob's pre-treatment machine that has been stored in the office for months, because Jacob also, who's the people that rent from me upstairs, exclusively does DTF, mostly because Spencer.
It's the way of the future. DTG is outdated.
So, yeah, we'll update. We're actually, I'll show you what we're printing for Spencer. So we are printing a giraffe print, and Spencer is going to attempt to put this on, what did you call it?
My dirt jumper.
A dirt jumper.
It's a bike.
So we're printing this. It's a 50 by 50 square, and we're going to laminate it. And he's going to take it home and cut it into pieces. We did a similar thing for his mountain bike. There's a mountain bike helmet.
Just for the helmet and for the mountain bike itself.
So we know that it is theoretically possible.
But it is hard.
It is not fun. I give props to everyone that does vehicle wraps, because I could not do it every day. But this looks really cool. Where did you buy this pattern?
So I just got it on Creative Market, which I actually love Creative Market. I don't know why I'm giving a shout out to Creative Market, but I use them all the time, and it's so nice to go on there and pay $10-15 for something and just have the file.
Yeah. There you go. As I was sitting here contemplating what I was going to have Taylor do tomorrow, because it's 5:45 and I need to get ready to go home, I got a 250-piece pen order from a local print shop. So I wholesale to them, which is great. They love it. They've told me that they're considering buying a laser, which, if they do, great. Another local print shop bought a laser, and they buy blank pens from me. Just makes me laugh. But it's like, you're buying everything from me anyway. Might as well have me do it. But, oh well. My only concern is they want 250 navy pens. I only have 206. My pen order was supposed to show up today, but it's not here. So hopefully it comes tomorrow, and then I'll be able to fully fulfill this order. Hopefully. I'm going to have Taylor get started on it so that I can at least get the 200 done. But it's getting slim pickings, and I need to get it fixed. So at least I'll have a little bit to do tomorrow morning. I had told you I wanted to make progress on the table. It's still just a disaster. I need to figure something out. And part of the reason I need to figure stuff out is I need to move this shelf, because my water is right here in this corner, and I want to install a sink and my ice machine. And so I got to get rid of the shelf. But there is at least a few things that Taylor can do tomorrow, which is good. We'll see how the rest of it goes. But thanks everyone for your feedback yesterday about selling the business, or selling everything, getting a job. It's not something I'm willing to do right now, because the biggest thing is I like what I do. I do want to figure out some ways to simplify it, but I like what I do. So I'm going to keep doing it. But hope you enjoyed that update from Spencer. Hope you enjoyed the look at the print shop and the chaos that happens. And if you have questions, let me know down in the comments. And we'll see you tomorrow, print fam.